Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our NIVS home school. My dear students, hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Sanjida Rahman, assistant teacher. Today I will take class for the student of class 1 and our today's class topic is chapter 1 and chapter 2, word meaning, one word answer and question answer. My dear students, our lecture number is 3. In our previous class we discussed chapter 2, reading them. And in today's class we will discuss one word answer and question answer from chapter 2 and one word meaning from chapter 1. Now let's start our class. Here word meaning. This word from our chapter 1. This word meaning is from our chapter 1. Again I repeat. Neighborhood. Neighborhood means things that are in our immediate surrounding. So what is the meaning of the neighborhood? Neighborhood means things that are in our immediate surrounding. I hope you understand this word meaning. Now we will read one word answer and question answer. This one word answer and question answer from chapter 2. One word answer. Number 1. What kind of surrounding helps us to remain healthy? Answer: clean. So again I repeat, what kind of surrounding helps us to remain healthy? Answer: clean. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Number 2, non-living things. Which things cannot grow? Answer: non-living things. Again I repeat the question, which things cannot grow? Answer: non-living things. N-O-N, non-H, living, L-I-V-I-N-G, living things, T-H-I-N-G-S, non-living things. Now question number 3, in how many groups the things can be divided? Answer: 2 groups. We know that we can be divided the things around us in 2 groups, living things and non-living things. Now question number 4, which things can eat, breathe and grow? Answer: living things. Again I repeat the question, which things can eat, breathe and grow? Answer: living things, L-I-V-I-N-G, living things, T-H-I-N-G-S, living things. Now question answer. Question number 1, question is, write 4 differences between living and non-living things. Answer: differences between living and non-living things are, here we make a chart. In one part living things and another part non-living things. Living things can breathe. Non-living things don't breathe. Number 2, living things need food to live. Number 2, non-living things do not need food. Number 3, living things grow. Non-living things don't grow. Number 4, living things move. Non-living things cannot move. So here is the differences between living things and non-living things. So what are the differences between living things and non-living things? Number 1, living things breathe, non-living things cannot breathe. Living things need food, non-living things no need to food. Living things can grow, non-living things don't grow. Living things can move, non-living things cannot move. Now question number 2, what are natural and man-made things? Give some examples of them. Answer: the things which are found in nature are called natural things. Example: moon, stars, etc. And the things which are not, which are made by man are called man-made things. Example: car, books. So what are the natural things and man-made things? The things which we found in the nature, they are not natural things. Natural things are star, moon, and the things which are made by human, it is called man-made things. So what is the example of man-made things? Man-made things example are car, books, etc. My dear students, I hope you understand our today's class and you will practice this chapter at your home, and your homework for the next week is homework number 2, question answer 1. This question answer is your homework. My dear students, I hope you will do the homework at your home properly and submit it on Saturday from 9 AM to 4 PM. Till then, keep well. Assalamu alaikum.